I am on quarantine room hotel in the Philippines, so I have to complete the quarantine before I can go to the house to continue the quarantine. So it's 14 days total. So I'm here in a hotel here in Aurora Boulevard. Okay. See you soon. Bye bye. So beef caldereta comes with potatoes, carrots, and olives. I guess that's how they cook it. I'm not sure about the other ingredients. I already finished off the salad. I'm still eating. So the lunch meal comes with a small cup of juice. I think this is pomelo juice, or is it pink lemonade? I'm not sure. I don't know the flavor as long as it's juice. And I'm almost finished with my lunch. Salad is gone. Okay, this is the room I'm staying for quarantine. So my room is give the mess because since I'm in quarantine, nobody's coming in and out. It's just only me. This window opens to a court, like inner building, so it's really not any outside views. And there's a big screen TV, dryer. So I'm giving you a tour of the room, the door. There's a place to hang coats, and the bathroom. Forgive the mess, but we got soap, and I brought my own soap, my stuff. And then the shower, which is good. It's got hot and cold water shower. And of course the hotel toilet. It's got a bidet there at the side. You want to wash, and it's glass door. Got one towel inside, and they also provided like a hot water kettle with 2 cups. 2 cups, although there's only 1 chair here. They have safety box and a small refrigerator which is empty. I used to put my water there, but it takes a long time to cool down because the water I bought were the 6-liter ones. Okay, there's a map of the area, and I think that's where the hotel is located. There's the Aurora Boulevard, and for dinner tonight I ordered beef salpicao. So there's rice, there's I think potato on top, and there's beef underneath, and of course the customary juice and plastic spoon and fork. Okay, dinner time. A few minutes ago, I had my swab test for RT-PCR. That's the required testing for COVID-19 on the 5th day of arrival in the Philippines. So I got tested. I didn't get a video because I didn't know what time they're coming. So now I'm just gonna get ready to eat my lunch. So they came before lunch, and it's good I haven't ordered yet. So now I got my lunch. So for testing, what they did was I was wearing my mask and my eyeglasses, and then they told me to pull down my mask, and they swabbed the inside of my throat, like on the left and on the right, and then they put the tip in 2 different vials. And then the worst part is when they swab my nose. So they swab first the left side, and they really went through in there and really like move it around. And then they did the other side too, and then they put both of the tips inside separate vial. So and I guess they're gonna test it with separately. Probably they need to, you know, if you get 3 positive or 3 negatives, then it comes in. I don't know. I don't know what's the protocol, but that's how they did it. It was like, my nose. But anyway, it's time to eat. Okay, lunchtime. Okay, today I got the results of the swab test for the RT-PCR COVID-19 testing. So it came out negative, and I got a certificate from the Department of Health that I can check out now from the quarantine here and from this hotel, and I will continue my quarantine at home. So I need to like fix everything up and go downstairs and do a checkout, because I emailed the front desk and asked them that because I got negative test and the certificate is there, if I can check out, and they just answered that is correct. So it means I'm interpreting it as okay, I'm gonna take all my stuff and go downstairs and check out and wait for someone to pick me up and take me home. So this is the last look at the hotel where I'm staying. I got my bag, my luggage, my laptop, got my devices there recharging, even my phone recharging too, and the water I almost finished up. So I almost drank 12 liters of water, so I got to finish up 6 liters for my 6 days stay here. There's a little bit water left, so I don't know if I can finish that one off, because if I drink all of it I'll be peeing a lot. But it's a good place to stay if you all want to quarantine here. The only thing is with the food, like I'm gonna maybe make another video or include it in this video, that the food is good. Just choose the heavy meals that are like in the middle of the price range. The lower ones, I don't think it's good, but it's okay if you're in a budget, you eat them. But the expensive one, I tried them, both of them. I'm not really impressed with the food, so that's just my take. And the middle of the range, it's good. I like it a lot, especially my favorite one was the beef caldereta. It's got good potato and carrots there. The beef salpicao is also good with the mushroom, so they're cheaper than the most expensive one. And then the crispy pork were really crispy. All those 3 meals that I tried. I didn't try the binagoongan, but wali and the pinakbet and the sinigang are good. And the chicken wings are also good. And I think that's it. I didn't try the pork sisig. The T-bone steak and the barbecue were just so-so, but you know, if you have the money, you can eat it. But I tried to eat all of the different flavors or the meals. I got the ice blended, the berry strawberry. They're just flavored. It's not really strawberry. I mean, not a real fruit strawberry. So Choco Loco I tried. It's chocolate, so that was also good. Except they didn't give me the straw. But anyway, this will be the conclusion. I'm going out of the quarantine. I'm happy in my quarantine. I'm happy I got negative test for COVID, which means I can continue my quarantine at home. So I want to thank you everybody for watching Fun or Not video, which is really good. When we spend a lot of money, but you know, it's still better than, it's better safe than sorry. That's what I want to mean. You know, safe from the virus and safe from exposure, and make sure you don't carry virus to your house or wherever you go from. But at least continue the vacation here in the Philippines. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but thank you for watching, and hopefully to see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe, click like, and make write a comment, questions, I'll answer them. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.